It's another afternoon, which means it's time for another video from the hub. Stay tuned to see what the heck washed up on this beach. Watch this hydraulic press crush this Lego. Okay, maybe not that Lego. You can't have them standing up or else it'll pop out. Hydraulic presses are super cool. They use water pressure to put an unbelievable amount of weight down to crush industrial stuff or, you know, kids' toys. Such a creative idea here. This person built a giant roller coaster out of Legos and then put a small camera in the car so it feels like we're actually on the roller coaster right now. Everyone put your hands up. But where would you even get all of those Lego pieces? Well, maybe from this guy's basement. He turned his basement unit in his apartment to a massive tomb of Lego pieces. I'm not sure how many pieces he has in that basement, but it doesn't quite seem like enough to build this. It was the tallest tower of Legos ever made, 500,000 pieces over 100 feet high in Brazil. And while that tower is cool, here's something creepy. It's an enormous Lego man that washed up on a beach in Sarasota, Florida. This has been happening around the world at various beaches, and nobody knows where they come from. Lego says it's not from them. Probably even stranger than that is this enormous pipeline that washed up on the beach in the United Kingdom. It was actually from an underwater piping project in Algeria off the coast of Africa that went wrong, and this enormous pipe washed up. I'd hate for that to run along my feet under the water. That's all for today's video. I want to give a big shout out to Skittles Bro and Brady for letting us know they've turned on notifications. If you do the same, we will absolutely give you a shout out in a future video. So give us a like, give us a subscribe, and we'll see you again very, very soon, I hope, right back here on The Hub.